Guys, we know what to do. Everyone is scared because everything is falling right now. Hi, everyone. I hope you're all having snippets that cost about 53 cents. It looks like everything is in red, right? Bitcoin 58,000, we reached our goal. Ethereum did the same thing. Right now, USTC is creating an extra 50 million USTC to try to save the markets. I mean, I find it strange that USCT is quiet, right? And that's the problem I'm having right now. Guys, USCT needs to print 1 billion of them, right? Which should lessen the blow of all these black swans that are coming up soon. Like tomorrow, there's also talk that something is happening with that story about the black swan right now. Now that we know the timeline, guys, let's calm down for today's movie. Take a look at this, guys. We're going to start with XRP and the XRP group. One time, Mr. Poole did ask how you managed to stay alive. This is pretty interesting. Right on 5.8, if we turn it around, it's August 5th, which is tomorrow. What's up with that? Because that's the only reason we're dumping, right? The story about the war got us exactly right, and Bitcoin just hit my goal of 58,000, so that's a check mark. Check mark as well, right? And don't forget that Ethereum swept these and all of this liquidity. Look at that, right? There are stop losses in place for E4XRP now, for XRP. It took all of those long-term loans. With, should I say, guys, yes, it did take all this cash from all these long skies, but it still hasn't gone down. I believe XRP is doing better than Bitcoin at the moment, right? That's really cool, guys. Oh, look, XRP is going back up. So was that the bottom? Guys, I don't know. The cheat code is still something we haven't talked about. By the way, guys, we have to stay for the cheat code. Bitcoin is above 57,000 to 56 Kai. And if we don't do something, it will go down to about, okay, let's see if we don't stay here. Above, around this level, guys. It's about to drop to 51,000. That's all I have to say. If we don't, we need to basically hold above this area, right? Guys, take a look at this chart. It's all in this chart. We were turned down off this line. Right now, I'm going to buy XRP here if I start to see strong divergences. Okay, I haven't bought it yet, but I'll let you know soon if I see any positive divergences, which I haven't seen yet. I'm not going to now. Check this out. Okay, guys, that's no longer needed. We're not scared. We're calm and cool, but periods went to make money. Okay, this is how I know we're not yet at the point of breakdown. There are screams from everyone that the slump is coming. But I mean, yes, that might be true, but the fall is already here. Guys, please understand that is not true. I have no idea how they got this right? 1999 then. It's been a good year with high prices. Now is the time to sell stocks and everything else of worth. 1999, the dot-com bubble, 2007, there was a house boom, right? It is said that the next top is it's 2026. Yes, and that's probably when the crash takes place, guys. Not to mention that all 26 got 369. Okay, then the North Node will also move to the same spot it was in 2008 during the crash. The same thing will happen again in 2026. I think about that. Wow, those guys are cool, right? It's very interesting what we know about the people who are planning these kinds of events since everything has already been planned. Okay, just remember that it could be war no matter what story you tell. You know what I mean? I'm not going to say anything else. It was all planned ahead of time, guys. No, they used the stars to figure out the time. That's all we have to say about it, guys. They time it with the stars. During the dot-com bubble, Jupiter was also in opposition to Pluto. This is expected to happen again in 2025 in the same area. These are definitely interesting times, guys. How do we know that it was confirmed from October 27th to October 23rd? When am I not going to sell my XRP? 2026. Okay, guys, it's clear I trust the riddlers. I don't believe in numbers for anything else. It's okay with me, yes? As for the riddlers, I really believe that it's crazy that my fate depends on them. Yes? Or maybe it's up to me since I decide whether to do what they say. Yes, like this from Big Short on October 27th, 2023. Stay put until 2026. Okay? That's not at all financial help there. Should the crash happen in 2025, guys, obviously you need to leave early. But take a look at this. I think XRP is a way to protect yourself from recessions and crashes. Not exactly recessions, more like crashes. Guys, a collapse is not the same thing as a decline. A collapse, guys, means a start over, a change, a total rebuilding of the base. That is all there is to it. That's all I have to say. Also shows that think everyone will sell for $3 to $10. Some people look for quick gains in the dance of numbers, but real visionaries see beyond short-term gains. Take a look at that. That means that XRP might go up to $3 to $10 at some point soon. A lot of people will sell, though. Only real visionaries see further than short-lived gold, guys. Interesting, maybe looking for a new world. How do we know that prices might not have to wait so long? On September 23rd, the Financial Accounting Standards Board voted to accept new accounting rules for businesses that hold crypto assets. Starting in late 2024, crypto assets will be valued at their fair market value. When you ask me, that's very strange. Late 204 will come out to what our Luke coming out going live. Replicase has already been passed, so everything is over. Now, all of these rules and laws are going into effect, and I think that's also when the recession might happen, right? Guys, now you can figure out how much crypto assets like XRP are worth on the open market. But let's get back to this point about 2026. A movie from, I don't know, the 1900s talked about XRP. Here is XRP, take a look. XRP 262, guys, right now. It's a rule of mathematics that you drop to zero. That's 226 right here, 226. Strange, Rosie Rios even said that Cleveland on July 4th at 1026. I think Donald Pump did say that at 206, there would be a party or something. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I think it was that, right? There are a lot of links, so do we really need to wait that long? And for excerpt, they all get crazy high. I agree, but I mean 3 to 4 numbers when I talk about crazy highs. Yes, XRP will never reach those levels until the current banking system falls apart. That's when XRP will only go up because it's like a phoenix, right? For now, XRP may be going up because Bitcoin is, right? This is also true for XRP if Bitcoin does it. This might happen before $10, $20, $30, or even $90. Guys, I don't know the real price ahead of time. It might not even be a new all-time high, as the Riddler has said before. It's going to go up like this, okay? Not like this. Now, I know we're not yet at the breakdown but they still use it in smart ways sometimes. Okay, so the crash hasn't happened yet. Guys, please calm down. But when we get to that point, when we cross the Rubicon, folks, where Swift's offices look like a castle, things will really change. That's right, they confirmed BG123. How is that possible? This comes from. Who is this from, guys? So from the magazine The Economist, all right, check this out, ISO 20022 data interchange. New financial systems will need updated protocols to work with blockchain technology. Right on, we can see, right, the base of the structure is about to change for good. So first it has to fall apart, and then they can rebuild it, right? After that, they'll rebuild it, guys. After that, something completely different will happen. Something has changed instead. Same, something like that, but different, guys. Behind the hood, on the back, and under the hood right now. Swift's office building in Belgium looks like a castle and will be busy for many years to come. Who is Swift's castle-like home base? What? This really is Swift's castle-like offices, Swift folks. Okay, can we see how the irrigators work? Have gotten into Swift changing the system from the inside, right? USD gets or loses Bitcoin. On the other hand, changes into something green right when it is given, like the Phoenix. The most valuable thing is XRP, though. That's why I know XRP is the one. The Swift castle has been under attack since 2018, and that's where they got in. It looks like 58589 was a code for the quick restarts, right? The Internet of Value could not happen without a new payment reset around the world. This would create a new set of standards on a new set of chains that could be accepted and checked. Here you go, guys. Is that clear? Is that clear? Is that clear? That's why the king is mad. It's because the bear, who is the clown, seems to be in charge. When we talk about higher prices, I mean that Donald Trump did say that the $35 trillion debt could be paid off if we gave him a Bitcoin check. That's right. It's not Bitcoin because it's just XRP, right? They are going to hand over a check. Now, if you don't believe that, that would mean that the price of XRP would have to be around $589 for the market cap to reach $35 trillion. Okay, I find that interesting and strange, but it has to be more than that. When the system changes, it will likely cost thousands of dollars. Check this out. Just now I asked Alexa from Amazon.